Kasama kayo?
I'm hoping. It depends kasi. Like, there are times kasi like na, yung mga love teams, they're not really working together anymore. And that's not because we don't want to work with each other. It's just such times change lang talaga. And other things come our ways din. So, I'm hoping this year maka-work ko siya ulit. But, I'm okay with just working with myself muna. And she can do her own thing. Kasi happy naman kami. Like, what's important is naman na kaming dalawa, we're like super okay kami. Like, super close kami. But, wala eh. Life happens eh. And work happens.
So, kumusta kayo? Do you still communicate even na hindi kayo magkasama sa isang project?
Yes nga, ate.
Oo, kasi parang recently, di ba, may sinabot ka yata ng isang basher na hindi ka doon sa isang upcoming star.
Yeah. Kasi the thing is, she's my classmate lang. The story there is, nag-livestream siya. Tapos nag-livestream siya, nag-rehearsal kami. Tapos tinutok niya lang sa akin yung camera. Kasi we're all magkakasama naman kaming lahat eh. Then, yan lang. Screenshot lang yung And then I just answered to the person na took that into offense. Sabi ko lang, wala. She just pointed the camera lang at me. What's the issue there? So, and then, with that single screenshot, gagawa ng ibang tao ang complete narrative. Meron silang 5 pages ng 5 pages ng story na, they make an essay on why I'm a bad person, ganyan, why I'm, ganyan. But like, for me lang naman, just before you speak, isip ka muna.
So, na-offend ka sa mga ganong syempre fake news?
Yeah, of course. Kasi, of course, it's nakaka-offend, like bilang artist. Kasi, for me, you're creating something that basically from nothing. Ano kasi, Diyos? You're making stories about people who you barely know about, who you don't know their lives. And then, the moment na you see something that doesn't favor you, you create something just to make fuzz lang on the internet. So, for me, I just wanted to shut that person down lang.